Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to look at slide animations. So this is going to be a really quick one. They're pretty easy to do. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to View, and you're going to open up the Motion panel. And that will open up on the right side of your screen, the slide transitions. It's also the object animations, but we're not going to cover those today. We'll cover those in a different video. Right now, we're just going to cover the slide transitions. So if you open up the little arrow, the selection arrow, you'll get a drop-down menu. And there are just a few to pick from, but each one of them has a different animation. So if you click on one of them, you'll also have the option to speed up or slow down the animation and apply it to all slides. So you can play right here a preview of what Dissolve is going to look like. And if you want it faster, you can speed it up a little bit. You have to click stop between each one. So just speed it up a little bit and then hit play. And then you can see the animation there. Remember to click stop. We can go to fade and we can watch that one. So that one is going to slowly fade in. Looks a lot like Dissolve, doesn't it? Slide in from the right. That will slide it in from the right. And again, you have to hit stop, and you can raise up the speed on that and see the difference. You'll want to get a nice balance of the speed from your transitions. So you can also slide from the left. And then, hit that stop button. I always forget. Flipping. Here is the flip. Okay. The cube is one I kind of like. Kind of gives it a three-dimensional kind of feeling. And then the gallery. It's kind of a sideward slide. I like that one. So you can apply to all slides if you want to do that. Or you'll notice now I have a little animation right here under slide 1. I have a little animation symbol. So I know I put in a slide transition for that one. So I can go to my next slide and I can do slide from the left. And I can slow it down. And I can go to slide 3. Do you see it inserted that? So that tells me which slides have an animation and which don't. And slide from the right. And let's do a flip. I'm just going to throw these in real quick. Let's do a cube. And let's do a gallery. So I'm not going to do them all, but I do want to present the presentation so that you can see the different animations. So here we go. And I'm just going to hit the space bar to move to my next slide. And now you can kind of see. That's why I like the cube one. You can't really tell when you're previewing it, but you can when you present the whole thing. And so there you go. So simple slide transitions for you. If you get to the point where you want to remove it, just come up here and click none, and it removes the animation symbol over here, and you can be done with it. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.